This is the Jabra Tour Bluetooth car speaker. So let's see what it comes with. We've got the USB cable for charging, and this can go in your car. Obviously that's where you want to use it. We got a little manual here, which doesn't really tell you too much. It's just really basic how to pair it for the first time, which if you've ever used anything Bluetooth, it's pretty straightforward. And the unit itself just kind of fits in the palm of your hand there. And it's got like a rubber finish right here. And then this back clip is aluminum. On and off switch. I believe that's the microphone right there. And you got your volume buttons on either side. And that's not a button. Your answer or end call. And then down here is the voice command button. And you just clip this to your visor. Oh, and then we got the charging port right there. And that is the mute button. So this thing weighs about 135 grams. It's a 3-watt speaker. It'll give you 20 hours of active talk time, 1,000 hours standby, and it takes 2 hours to charge. It's got a 950 mAh Li polymer battery, and it does, when you open the car, it automatically turns on and off once you've paired it. It has a motion sensor, so you're connected as soon as you get in your car, and it tells you the battery level verbally. It's Bluetooth 3.0, and it'll go to 30 feet. It has acoustic echo cancellation and 21 decibel noise cancellation. It's compatible with Siri and Google Voice. And one of the coolest things about this device is that you can pair 2 phones at the same time and just switch between them. And the way that you would do that is you hold the answer button till it says welcome and you're paired. You'll need a PIN code on some things, and that code is by default 0000. And you can also pair it by hitting voice command, and when it says welcome, you just say pair new device. If you don't know I will give a list in the manual, a PDF form of the manual that I have offline. I'll put that in the description, because that's a lot more in depth than anything you're going to read in here. It'll have the list of all the commands, but if you don't feel like reading that, or you can't remember and you're in your car already, you can just hit voice command and ask it, what can I say? And it'll give you a list of all the possible voice commands. So when you have this paired with 2 phones, the way you would switch between the phones is you would just press the answer button for 2 seconds, and that switches back and forth between the 2 phones. Now if you have only one phone connected and you want to reject a call, this is where it's a little tricky, because it's different if you have 2 phones connected. If you want to reject a call with one phone, you would hold the answer button for 2 seconds. But if you had 2 phones connected and you want to reject a call, you would double tap answer. So that's probably the number one thing to try to remember on this. And I know most people probably won't connect 2 phones at the same time anyway, but that's up to you. When you get a call, it will announce via caller ID either the name of the contact if you have them saved, or it'll just spell out the number for you, and then you have the option to either answer by voice command or You can hit the button. And the one other cool thing about this, the feature that I really like, there's an app that you can download that goes along with this, and it's called Jabra Assist app. And the cool thing that app does, besides telling you um, the actual battery percentage that you have left, you can find your car with it. That's really cool. You can find your car. So if you don't know where you parked, you can just go on the app and it'll show you a map of where your device is located, and obviously it should be in your car. So very helpful, cool thing. I'm gonna put a link for Amazon for this, and I'll also put the link for the manual. So if you like this review, like and subscribe, and I'll do some more reviews real soon. Thanks.